What if I told you that you don't need a gym membership, fancy machines, or expensive equipment to build a strong, athletic body? In fact, some of the strongest people in the world train with nothing but their own body weight. Pull-ups, push-ups, dips, squats, handstands, that's calisthenics. And today we're talking about why calisthenics might actually be better than the gym. Now don't get me wrong, the gym is great. You can build muscle, lift heavy, track progress, and train almost every body part with machines and weights. But calisthenics gives you something different. It doesn't just build muscle. It builds control, balance, mobility, and real-world strength. The best part is that you can do it anywhere, at home, at the park, in your room, or even while traveling. No machines, no waiting for equipment, and no excuses. One of the biggest reasons calisthenics is so powerful is because it builds functional strength. In the gym, you usually lift external weight like dumbbells, barbells, or cables. But in calisthenics, you learn how to control your own body. Take a pull-up, for example. You're not only using your arms, you're using your back, shoulders, core, grip, and even your legs to stay controlled. Your whole body works together, and that's what makes calisthenics strength feel athletic and useful in real life. Another reason calisthenics is better for many people is freedom. With the gym, you need a membership, transport, time, and access to equipment. Sometimes you even have to wait for machines. But with calisthenics, your body becomes the gym. You can do push-ups on the floor, squats in your room, pull-ups at a park, and dips using parallel bars or even chairs. This makes it much easier to stay consistent, and consistency is what actually brings results. Calisthenics also improves body control in a way the gym usually doesn't. In the gym, progress often means adding more weight. But in calisthenics, progress means mastering harder movements. A normal push-up can become a decline push-up, then an archer push-up, and eventually a one-arm push-up. A basic plank can become an L-sit, then a tuck planche, and later a full planche. Every new movement feels like unlocking a new level, which makes training more exciting and rewarding. Another big benefit is that calisthenics helps build a lean, athletic physique. Because you're constantly lifting your own body weight, your strength-to-weight ratio becomes very important. This naturally encourages a body that is strong, light, controlled, and explosive. Advanced calisthenics athletes don't just look strong, they can move well, balance well, and control their bodies in impressive ways. That's the difference. They don't only have strength, they can prove it. Calisthenics is also great because it works for beginners and advanced athletes. A beginner can start with wall push-ups, incline push-ups, body weight squats, assisted pull-ups, and knee raises. As they get stronger, they can move to harder variations. That's the beauty of calisthenics. It grows with you. There is always another skill to learn, another progression to master, and another level to reach. On top of that, calisthenics saves money. Gym memberships can be expensive, especially when you add transport, workout gear, supplements, or personal training. With calisthenics, you can start with almost nothing. Maybe later you can buy a pull-up bar, resistance bands, or parallettes, but they are not required in the beginning. You can start today with just your body and a small space. Calisthenics also builds discipline. You can't cheat your way to a muscle-up handstand or planche. Either you control your body or you don't. That honesty forces you to focus on proper form, patience, mobility, and consistency. Progress may take time, but every improvement feels earned. And that kind of discipline doesn't only help in workouts, it also builds confidence in daily life. But does this mean the gym is useless? Absolutely not. The gym is amazing for building maximum muscle, lifting heavy, and isolating specific body parts. If your goal is bodybuilding, powerlifting, or gaining size as quickly as possible, the gym can be very effective. But if your goal is overall fitness, body control, athletic strength, freedom, and confidence, calisthenics has a serious advantage. So yes, calisthenics can be better than the gym. Not because gyms don't work, but because calisthenics gives you strength you can carry anywhere. It teaches you how to control your body, builds discipline, saves money, and helps you become strong, lean, and athletic. Your body is already powerful enough. You just have to learn how to use it. So now the question is, would you rather build strength with weights or master your own body? Comment your answer below. And if you want more fitness videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the next video on the screen.